Hi everyone, today we're going to do lesson 8 and 9, adding money and adding with regrouping, and this is the practice set. So welcome back. Don't look too critically at my drawing. I know you guys can all draw better, but we're going to mess around with adding money and regrouping. Now let's review that when we have in any place value, we get more than 9, we've got to regroup it to our next thing up in the place value. So if we have 9 tens and we get another 10, we've got to regroup up higher into the hundreds. If we have 10 ones, then we move all those 10 ones over to the 10 section and we regroup that way. Let's try a few together. And then I'd like you to pause and do a few on your own and see if we are getting the matching answers. This is the lesson practice set for lesson 9. You can find it on page 52. So turn with me and let's begin. Here we have $36, which is 3 tens and 6 ones, plus $29, which is 2 tens and a ton of ones, 9 ones. Ugh. Okay, when I was looking at this, I can group these two together. Can you see how that? I can convert this into a $10 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just taking one from this little group. So I'm going to make this into a $10 bill. And then that will tell us how many ones we need to put in the one section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we go over to the tens and we count. We remember how we've converted this into a $10 bill. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Do we write it as 60? Since it's over here, we just say 6. So we could just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 65. Another way that we can show this is we say 6 plus 9 is 15, and we put our 5 under the ones, and we regroup and put that 10 over in the tens column, just like we moved this $10 bill. And then we say 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And don't forget to put the $sign. So those are two different ways to look at, to do this kind of problem. Here's another one. Lots of drawing. Those lots and lots of drawing. We have 47, which is 4 tens and 7 ones, plus $8, which is 8 ones. And we count these all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that this is going to be a group of 10. And I'm going to use a different marker. I'm going to put this right here. This is our regrouped thing. And we're going to do it right here to show that we've put another group of 10. Now, how many ones do we have that are staying put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we say 5. And then our 10 is over here. 1 plus 4 is 5. So our answer is $55. So look and see how that all works. This has become a $10 bill. So handy, isn't it? Our next one that I drew out, and I hope will be helpful to you, is $57 plus $13. I gotta put my little $sign, guys. 57, I drew this out. It should have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're good. And then 7 ones. And then 13. $13. So we're gonna add these all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the whole thing gets circled, and we move it and change it into a $10 bill. So if we're moving this all over to our tens, that tells me that we have 0 ones. 0 ones are left because we've moved them all to this 10 section. Let's count how many tens we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups of 10, and we add that right here. So $57 plus $13 is $70. Now these are really great pictures to help you visualize. When we bundle that up into groups of 10 and we move it over. Now we're going to do problems D, E, and F, and these you're going to find are a little different because we're not drawing these all out. We are going to actually work with them with regrouping in our mind, okay? So here we go. And this is where it's really good that you know your math facts. 8 plus 4, I know, is 12. 12 is a bigger number than 9. So I'm going to say, I'm going to put my 2 here from the 12, and I regroup and put my group of 10 over in the 10 section. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Our next one, I want you to pause and I want you to do this on your own and then see if it matches what I'm doing, okay? 9 plus 8 is 17. So I put my 7 from 17 right here. The 1 from 17 I put in the tens column above, and I add 1 plus 5 gives you 67. How's it going? If there's anything that's like, I'm not sure about this, pause, rewind, and try it again, okay? Now, our next one, 6 plus 5 is 11. So I know that it's 11. I put my 1 here for the 11, and I have one group of 10, and I move over this above the tens. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 71. And there you have it. The trick is to remember anything above the number 9 in any place value, you will need to regroup to the next larger place value. Keep it up. This comes with practice, and before long you'll be an old pro. Take care and good luck on the homework.